We all know that cells are the building blocks of all living things. But did you think that they are simply building blocks like bricks in a wall? If so, think again. Cells can detect what's going on and respond to stimuli through numerous signaling mechanisms. That's how cells communicate with one another. This ability of cells to detect or receive information and process it to make decisions is known as cell signaling. Let's look at it as the more familiar information processing system. Just like a computer system, cells also receive input and give output signals. Input, the role of cell signaling systems is to receive input from the environment. Output, on the basis of the input, generate an appropriate output response. Decision-making. Information processing performed by the cell is conceptually like that of other familiar information processing systems, such as the brain or a computer. The input signal is received, and the cell performs a number of functions to process that signal into an output product. Cell signaling permits the cells to work as an integrated unit instead of each individual cell dancing to its own drummer. Doesn't sound right, does it? Cells must read various external and intracellular signals and use this information to generate many output responses. The input signals that a cell receives range from signals from the extracellular matrix, signals from neighboring cells, environmental stressors signals, nutrient signals, and the signals that maintain the internal state of the cell, such as homeostasis and cell cycle. As for the output signals, the cell puts out a variety of signals that take part in the production and secretion of molecules, growth and division, cell death and sequencing, morphological changes, and most important, gene expression. If we talk about the fundamental role of signaling in biological processes, there have been years and years of research from various fields behind our current knowledge of signaling mechanisms. The basis of all physiological processes starts with cell signaling. From growth and differentiation pathways to the pathways related to immune activation and hormone response. That is why it is essential to understand the micro details of the cell signaling pathways. In the coming sections, we will get into the details of basic biology and the cell signaling pathways, so stay tuned. Don't forget to download our apps so you can watch our video lectures anytime, anywhere.